So here's this air conditioning unit. This one is inside on the wall, and that's the second part of the same machine, and that one is outside on the wall. Okay, and here's the remote control. It has an on-off switch. Let's power it on. I just press the on switch and notice it's opened. So it has a temperature control. It's already blowing the air. It has a temperature control, currently set to 70 degrees Celsius. That's the lowest setting. It won't go any lower. It will go higher. Now it's on 80, and it also beeped once. 19, 20, and so on. Let's set it lower. Okay, another thing here is this one. It says cool. So this unit can cool, can dry the air, and can warm the air. That one is set by this mode button. Now it's set to dry. This will dry the air. Okay, and mode again. Now it's supposed to heat the interior of this room, and it's opening the other side. It's still spinning inside. It's stopping. I think it's stopping. Okay, and let's see. Fan. Here it says fan. Now it's neither heating nor cooling. It's just spinning the fan. It's just mixing the interior air. And let's get back to... Okay, it has an auto function also. He will decide what to do, maybe. And now it's cooling. That's more nice. Okay, so let's take another look. If we pull this thing down, here we have more buttons. This one, it says swing. If I press that one, swing, then notice that this part is moving up and down, and that will blow the air higher or lower in this room. So it's not cooling one single place. Okie dokie. Clock. It's not doing anything. Okay, it has a timer off and a timer on. I think that will turn it off, and the other one will turn it on at a certain time. Cancel will clear all these timers, timer on and timer off. Cancel. Okay, and it has this time adjust button. If I press, let's say, timer off, then I can increase that value or decrease that value. And let's cancel it. Okay, so that's the air conditioning unit. If you set it to cool, then that one should blow the air off. I mean the heat which is extracted from here should be blown off there outside. I'm not sure why it's not blowing it. Okay, and off, off, and it's closing. There is an LCD there, timer, auto, power, defrost, and so on. We can close that one. There's the exterior part. It has a large fan. It has those fins inside. The Freon or other agent is inside that one. Here are some technical specifications. It has some cables here, electricity and the Freon. And all this is powered from there. As if it's on the